We have bookings ready for the hotel, and from today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll have arrivals, we'll have guests coming in. Our worry is the beach. We have a problem with the beach. When the guests come in, the first thing they request is we want to go to the beach because this is a beach hotel. But unfortunately, we cannot access the beach. We've tried our level best to contact the authorities involved, and I believe they are working on this. But if they can fast track this so that at least we have the beach ready for us, it will be better for us, because the guests, the first thing they want is when immediately they come, they want to go to the beach, but we cannot access the beach. 75% of our rooms are sea view. That's why we are very much worried with the beach. If we can be assisted on this, then we'll be very happy.
After 1 week, promise resolve the problem. Invitation the TV. After 1 week, come back. It's true or not true, can resolve.
Na tugithie himwe kwa imwe nginyagia kura kauntiini ya Naikuru tugitongane na ripoti ya kieha. Na kieha ni kivumiria family ya